Hi parents, in this video I just want to introduce you to the Veritas Student Information System and how it can help you stay informed and involved in your child's education on a daily basis. To access the SIS or Student Information System, you need to go to our main webpage, which is www.veritasacademy.org, and down the left-hand menu here you'll see an option for Student Info System. That is where you'll click to go into the system itself to log in. You also see a little blue media icon to the right. If you click on that, it will open a series of training and tutoring videos that you can watch and learn about the system. That's probably how you got to this video. So let's click on Student Information System, and what will come up is the login screen for you to use. You should be given a username and password initially. Once you're on the system, you will be able to change that password to anything you like. Typically the username will be first initial last name, so you'll type that in the username and then type either the password you were given or what you changed it to, and then you will click login or just press the enter key. This takes you to the main opening page in the main menu. You'll notice at the top you'll see the current date and your login name, as well as the spot where you can log off of the system. Then in the drop downs you'll see the current school year, the student's name, and the trimester. So you can select once you get into the year prior trimesters. It should default to the current trimester though. If you have more than one child attending Veritas, you should be linked to all of them, so you should be able to select at the top here whatever student you would like to view the information for. So switching back and forth is as easy as going up here at any time and selecting a new student name. Across the middle here you'll see the main menu, and I'll touch on each of these in a moment, but this is how you navigate the site, is across these tabs in the main menu. You're going to default to the home menu when you log in. Now in this menu you'll simply see a place where we can put notes to communicate with you. Currently there's just a welcome message and then a message about how to get to those video tutorials that I mentioned. If anything changes with the system, the SIS system, or there's anything you really need to know, we'll add a note down here. This is not intended to be a news section. You can get your news off the web page or through the newsletter, but if anything relating to the SIS, we will make updates here. So be sure to check those notes and make sure there's nothing new when you log in. As you work your way across, I'm just going to touch briefly on what's in each of these tabs. Under School Info, you're going to see a couple things. It's going to default to a calendar. This is just a calendar of school days. And again, we'll put on this calendar not everything going on in the school, but we'll put those important dates from an academic standpoint. For example, if I go to October 2011, you're going to see that the date for interim reports is the 12th. If we go to November, you're going to be able to see that the first trimester, ends on November 18th, and you should expect grades for the teachers to be due on the 28th, and you will see report cards by the end of the month. So if you ever have questions, this is where to come. School information as well. It's just the basic information about the school, contact information, and any other critical information about the school itself. Under students, you will see information about your student. If there is anything that is incorrect on any of these tabs, you can notify the school office for those changes. Under My Info, you're going to see general info, your name and username and login information. This is where you would come to change your password. You'd simply click on the concealed password here, type your new password, and click the Save button, and you should be good to go with a new password. Under Scheduling, you'll be able to see the schedule for your students. So you can see we have Katie selected here. If we want to show all, you'll be able to see that she is enrolled in 2 courses. They are full year courses, and you can see the days they meet and other important information. If you want to print this schedule, you simply click the print schedule button and you have the ability to print. You can also see class pictures. This is kind of interesting if you want to learn anything about or recognize the students in class. You can click that period and click Create Class Pictures, and you'll get pictures and names of the kids that your students in class with. Great way to get to know the kids and be able to recognize them. Okay. The thing you're probably most interested in is grades, and we'll have another video that goes into detail here, but this allows you to log in and actually see the grade books for your students. Finally, you'll see a tab for attendance and eligibility. We are not currently using this functionality, but at a future date we may start tracking attendance and eligibility for athletics and other programs on this system, and when we do, we'll create videos to explain those to you.